Go live, baby. Let's go live.
Let's go live. Oh yeah, no, today's cool. Hey, thank you guys for coming in, man. It's what, Wednesday night? Yeah, Wednesday night. All right, let's see something here. Let me see. Let me go ahead and advertise this on Instagrams right quick.
Fuck with the soundtrack though.
Huh?
I fuck with the soundtrack.
Yeah, I mean, I can't play any hip hop because like then YouTube will copyright it. We can't play anything like this. We gotta play shit like this. Otherwise, then our videos won't get posted. And then it's like, what's the point of streaming if they can't be saved? You know what I mean?
I feel that.
Yeah. So you bought AMC earlier, right? You bought it at what'd you say? 13 something?
17.
Let's check it out, man.
Yeah.
Let's check out where it ended up at.
Um,
Hey, nice. All right, so then it went right back up to $19.
Yeah.
you
That's
think it's
good,
gonna
dude.
go up to, the same as GameStop?
Do I
Yeah,
think? Go ahead. I'll let you.
I think it is because I also looked into it and I bought BlackBerry too. I didn't buy a lot into BlackBerry, but essentially they're gonna try to do the same thing that they did with GameStop with those two and just short out the big dogs. So, you know, worst case scenario, I lose a couple of $100, but
Worst case.
whatever.
Yeah.
The market is volatile. I'm trying to strike, baby.
I hear you, bro. I hear you. Yeah, no, I'm liking it here.
That's gonna just drop
The what? Go ahead. What'd you say?
after the hype. That's just gonna drop just like Kodak.
I think so.
That's the thing, man. Especially when like now,
That's long term.
yeah,
That thing
That thing is
it went up to 40.
40.
Yeah, they still went to 40. Go to monthly.
Oh, true. Hold on.
You guys wanna make
Oh, there it is.
short GameStop.
Short GameStop. Yeah, if you can trade some options, just short your GameStop. Go against everybody that's buying right now. They're all gonna get.
They're buying stuff.
They're buying, but they're all getting fucked.
Yeah, well, that was
They're buying
300. It's
It
already
went
jump
down
on the
$100
GameStop.
today.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Actually, it went up to like 300. Now it's at 200.
It was 349 earlier. It's at 280. I think it closed at 280 today.
Yeah, no, yeah, GameStop definitely fucking took off, but crazy, man.
But I'm with Nick. I think they're gonna do the same to AMC.
Like
A lot of
Kodak?
like influencers are like pushing it, and you know it's right now on Reddit. It's big.
Yeah, what's his name? Wall Street Bets.
Yeah, the Wall Street bets on Reddit.
Mm-hmm.
It's big. They're doing it for the porn star, for Mia Khalifa.
What?
They're trying to raise money.
Really?
Yeah,
Is that
they're-
the reason it started?
Yeah, they're trying to raise money to help Lebanon, and she's donating like 2.5 million and shit.
Supposed to make the world go round.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Stimulating whole economies, bro.
Yeah, buddy.
That's insane, dude. Holy shit. That's
What's
a
that?
lot of money.
Yeah.
There's no way this shit's gonna keep going up.
Can't believe like 3 days ago it was that low.
Yeah, down here.
It
Well,
was
actually.
like $25.
Oh yeah. Hold up. Yeah, you're right. It was like at $20-some.
Yeah, it's at 100% increase right now.
Yeah.
Well, 1,000%.
No more, bro.
Like 3,000.
Yeah, like 4,000 or 5,000. Because this one's from 25. 700 is 1,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Insane. Wow. Good for them. Whoever bought in.
Yeah, my boy bought a shit ton of GameStop stock like a year ago, and this man just made like a good 12 to 13 racks today.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. That's awesome.
Nah, that's fucking great. All right, so what are we looking at today? Today we're looking at GJ as usual, per usual, right?
So, we're gonna, I think, coming up to our first try today. Looking at it, let's go ahead and mark up. I believe around here is London low, so go ahead and mark up London. Go ahead and do London. Asia. No. Mark up Asia. Yeah.
Asia right here.
And Asia high.
And then Asia high.
There you go. So let's get rid of that stuff. Let's zoom in. Alright, so it looks like we are stuck in a channel, right? There's also resistance here. It gives you a lot of confluence. Plus you can do that. Can you make it a little, go to the 1 hour. Alright, so look, you see what I mean? So you have the trend line, you have the support, and then you have resistance. So I think our best bet is for our first trade, to wait for the retest here, to buy. Because at the end of the day, we're still looking at a GJ as long, right? There's still a lot of bullish momentum that hasn't stopped, although it came to last night to consolidate. That nice pullback was a huge miss on our part.
Yeah, it was.
158 pips for New York session. Right? So now we should just expect it to continue to go up unless it's trending within that Asia session, high and low. So even if it was our first target will be Asia low to see whether it's respected or broken. If it's broken, then we'll short to London's low or the 50% mark, and then if it's respected, we'll buy to Asian high and close out 80% and let the runners run.
Yeah, so if this level is broken, then obviously expect it to come down somewhere around this area here just to retest it. And that would be a nice little 13 pips, little nice 12 pip run right there. However, though, I do like the buys here too. If we do come back to retest this to the very top here. Yeah. I think that's what we still have as far as the overall projection to come back up to 144.42, or at least 400 area, right? So that's still kind of pushing it, working its way back up there. So I'm still in the buys here.
Yeah, I definitely think that 142, 300, 142, from 342 to 300 is such an important zone that you just gotta watch out. Right? It can go either way. So we just gotta tread lightly and look at the lower time frames for to pinpoint it.
Yeah. Enrique, going to have to use some sick hour, boys. I'm stuck at work right now. Hey, damn, it's late. I hear you, man. Listen, you've been, I know you, I've noticed you've been like killing it though, bro. Like, it's good.
Yeah,
For this week, man, hell yeah, that's good.
take a mental break, bro. You had a $500 week. You know?
Yeah.
For your lot size, that's great. You're catching a lot of pips. Good shit, dude.
Yo, Christian, what are you looking at tonight?
Just GJ.
Just GJ?
Yeah.
Word.
So this is actually in a good place right now. We have, for confluence, if you pull up the fibs.
On the 15?
On the 15 and the 30. But the 30 is closing with shit. But it could be that pullback from to continue to go up and break Asia high.
Yeah.
Let's jump into maybe the 3 minute and see a break of structure.
1 minute right here.
You see where it's at?
Yeah.
Let's see if it breaks that reacting to it right now.
Is there any news tonight or today? Let's
No,
see.
it's pretty clear.
It looks like no, not until 5:30 a.m. We have some some US dollar news, and yeah, not really, not much going on. Oh, next week is gonna be NFP.
She's trash.
It really is. It really is. You're right. You're right. I do remember the days, man, when like USD CAD used to fucking play out.
100
like,
pips every time.
Yeah. I remember that. The fucking breakouts, man. Like I remember, I used to be at work and I would text this fool Christian, bro. You looking at it? Yeah. All right. We either gonna buy or sell. All right. No direction whatsoever, but whatever played out, man.
And we always won. Fuck me.
Yeah.
We just need a big accounts and do like 100 lot.
Fuck that.
Full margin, 1 to 1,000
What?
leverage.
Damn.
Yeah.
I guess if it goes your way, that's it. Alright. You don't gotta trade no more.
Yeah, no, not at all.
1.5 million and like
10 pips, you already catch it. $10,000.
Damn.
Yeah. 10 pips, you already catch it. $10,000 off of that.
That's crazy. I'll close out right there. Boom. I'm going home.
Yeah.
million.
There's people who legit just trade the news and call it a day, like call it a month, right? That's
But they're not all good no more. They're trash.
yeah.
Some news are good. You just gotta look for them. Like the
Wait.
one for tomorrow is gonna be good.
I want NCDUSD.
GU is gonna drop.
NZD USD.
February 28th.
GU is gonna drop, you said?
Yeah. The dollar's coming up with you good news.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. So we have this level here to keep in mind. Something like this. But now it looks a little bit too.
No, I mean tomorrow for the news.
Oh.
Not right now. The 4 hour looks good though. But if you drop down to the 1 hour, looks like shit.
No, the 1 hour still looks pretty good. But it's the same fucking patterns, bro. Something happens around this time, and then come New London time, then you have some completely different. So it's like I don't even like trading around this time because it always just fucks with us somehow. So, Victor, so London session usually kicks in about 30 minutes, and that's when you get a lot of the volatility, right? So this indicator here just pretty much tells us where we are during that session. So when you see like this big push, right now where we're at, it's pushing down, right? So this is what happened yesterday now, where we can expect it to then reject the level and then completely turn around, kind of how I did yesterday as well. So London session, like I said, it starts in about 30 minutes. So it's like what, 1 a.m. your time, I believe. Yeah.
At midnight. Oh, no, yeah. 1 a.m.
1 a.m.,
You're
yeah.
right.
3 a.m. over here.
3 a.m. over there. Yep. So SGU, GJ looking pretty similar here too.
GU looks like it's looking a nice buy.
Like a buy?
Yeah. I'm waiting for GU to go to 36,462.
462.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Oh, okay.
4 hour.
Oh, okay. This exact low right here.
Yeah.
It's a little low though.
It is. Yeah, it's pretty aggressive right now. I mean, like the only thing I would say is just.
Like right now would be a good time to enter and only have your stop loss right here. How many pips is that? Oh,
To
it's
sell it?
4 hour.
Hell
Yeah.
no, that shit.
That's a 15 minute.
Right here. Right here.
Oh wait. Let me go back.
Maybe right here.
Right here? This low?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's see, and then the 15-minute.
Enter and have your stop loss here.
What, to sell it?
Sell it. Fuck it.
Send it.
Send it.
Full send. Full throttle.
10 lap.
30 minute look good too. I mean, there's nothing but wicks. It's clean traffic.
Yeah, but you gotta remember, if we're testing this shit again, it's not even London session. That shit's this shit's bound to reverse.
That's what though?
Look how many times they tried to break this. Look how many times we tried to break this and we couldn't. We even tried to break it here and then completely fucking turned around. And this was all London session. Look at that shit.
This is not valid because this was broken.
No, I know, but on the 4 hour here, this is just a wick.
Yeah, we gotta see where the wick went. Look, you see that?
Yeah, to this order block down here. Yeah.
That's cement. This is not valid. This is not strong.
Let's see what happens here.
I definitely think at least 28 pips.
If we're looking at the so we came exactly to this point right here. And this is a monthly.
Yeah, look at this. We already created a wick. So you have low, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, right? Higher low, and then it's creating a from. If we're just looking at PA, it could be creating a higher high. But this, I mean, yeah, you can't argue with this. This is a short zone.
Yeah.
I think he'll break it. Let's get to that point where you just gotta see what you're gonna do.
That's a pretty solid rejection here too. It's coming from one of these highs over here.
That's what I'm telling you. I'll come back. If you go back to the right.
Hold up, let me see.
Maybe it'll come back again to this pullback. Depending on this is stronger, right?
Yeah.
A quick pullback to quick retracement to continue to go up because this is just a wick field, right? We need to have. We're gonna.
No, this is a daily. This is gonna take a minute for it to come all the way down here.
For sure.
Yeah. And then if this looks like it's already kind of starting to break at this point, then sells would be valid as well.
It's breaking this low right here.
There you go. That makes a little more sense.
Fucking GG again. It's like only negative 0.07. Coming to that. Coming to that sound though.
Alright, I'm not feeling this music too much. This shit wank. Alright. What y'all want to listen to, man? NLE Chopper? No, I'm joking. I'm not. Huh?
You want customers from ads much cheaper in the scale?
Nah, we can't, because then
Our
we're going to get
software Hyros will
copyrighted.
do that for you, or you don't pay.
You still like my roommate? I think we having that music hella loud. Like,
That shit bumping.
no,
That shit bumping, bruh.
that shit's trash. Even the neighbors was complaining that shit was too loud.
That shit bumping. Alright, looks like GJ's kind of reacting to this level here, so let's see how it plays out. I think if we are looking for buys, we have to catch it from the very bottom. We can't wait for it to just break out. Yeah, 'cause we don't want to stay too long in these trades either. Plus, we got 30 minutes left on London, so. Well, no, I mean, right now it's looking like shit, but I'm saying if it tends to come back and actually break this level, maybe come to this area here, retest, buy, boom. The what?
30 minutes is open.
Did it? But if not, then if we're looking at short, then I would say let's wait for a break here.
I think we should buy on the Asia low.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah.
It's so close. We should just hold it. Wait.
Yeah, so this is the trade for the night. We'll wait for a confirmation here and buy to the top. And then right under this wick, that's about 6-7 pip stop loss. Maybe 8 pips. Now we just play the patient game, that's all.
Upside down and inside out. I'm about to show all you folks what it's all about now. Taking it back to the old school, cause I'm an old fool who's so cool. If you're upside down and inside
Yo, Mark, you gonna drop that stimmy or what?
Hey,
Hey,
still right here, burning, bro.
drop the stimmy.
there it is, let me hear you say.
All I know is that if we get this new $1,400 stimmy from Joe Biden, then I'm dropping it all on blockbuster stocks.
Oh
Make
yeah.
the real money.
Yup. Shit bound to make a comeback, bro. One day.
Yeah, man.
Shit.
Yeah, people are gonna get tired of just being conveniently downloading movies. Eventually, they're gonna want a VCR. Bring back tapes,
shit.
bro.
Yeah.
Make America tape again.
Yep. That's funny, dude. Yeah, so as soon as, like I said, as soon as market gets down here, touches this level here, we'll look for buys. Where bro is at? He's sleeping?
Yeah, the niggas is in bed. They've been in bed for a few hours.
Don't you got didn't what's his name? Fuck, I forgot his name. Didn't he move in with you guys or no? What's his name?
Justice?
Justice.
Yeah, that boy be going to bed at like 9 p.m. under that.
God damn.
Yeah.
What time you be staying up till?
I don't know. It all depends. Probably around like 1 or 2. I've started working again, so.
Oh, true.
I gotta get back on that night schedule.
Nah, but you be staying like you be getting out late, no?
Not that late.
Okay.
With the whole COVID regulations, we close pretty early, so I'll get home at like 12 the latest.
Oh, okay. Yeah, anyone who is watching on YouTube, man, if you guys enjoying the stream, make sure to drop that like and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with us. There's 7 people watching there. Yeah, buddy. I know who y'all are, man. Y'all better be. There you go. There's one like.
Oh, man.
Do it. Get it.
There you go.
Hey,
What up?
Hey, let me see your buy on the 30 minute.
On the 30 minute?
Yeah. See what's it. Oh, that zone. Alright, bet.
Yeah, that zone. Just because it's the Asia low, and we're kind of in this range here. But if we start breaking out of it, then obviously we'll look for sells once we break out of the Asia low. But if this maintains, then obviously now we're there. So the only way, again, like we need to see price hit this level here. The immediate level of resistance is the one that just created. So we would want to see this happen where it's market actually break above this level resistance, find some sort of resistance up here, then come back down to support before we end up entering the trade. Or we could buy now and say fuck it. But
Hi.
we get it at the exact price level we wanted to.
If it was to break that, the HLO, you're gonna have to wait until like 142, 300.
If it breaks it, yeah. But if it's maintained, this buy is still valid at the moment.
Yeah, it's still valid right now.
So what, now we wait till 300?
No, like
No,
if
no.
right now this is the level we want to see. If this starts breaking through it, which it looks like it wants to continue dumping, then if we break that $300 mark, which is 142.300, then we can look for potential shorts. But for now, this could still reverse. What's GU, Jen? Did GU actually turn around, or nah, that shit dumb too? Oh, but that actually like broke that 15 minute.
Fuck, bro. It would have been 14, 15, 10.
20 pips if once we would have seen the break. But now you have this order block right here.
What on the 15 it broke? Look at the 15. It broke that low. So it's just filling that block.
Yeah.
It broke this. That was to the support resistance.
What? Oh. This music wank. Alright, that's too much.
Some honey gum music.
That's some German sex club music.
Yeah. Shit. That's some Lofi's hip hop some shit right now. I mean, yeah, let's do that.
Berlin is dope, though.
The what?
That music in Berlin,
It is dope. Yes, it is cool. We want to listen to
Good
some of
music
this.
to boof things
It's
too.
time you
Yeah.
stop failing tech interviews. At Interview Kickstart, we have helped over 35.
Yo, Ariel, whatever happened to Tommy?
I don't know. I haven't talked to him. I haven't talked to him at all. Actually, it's been a minute. But when I lived in Denver, I mean, every now and then we would like kick it and shit. Whenever he would go to Victor's house. Do you still talk to him, Vic, or no?
Yeah, that man drop off my weed every week.
Nice.
Good guy.
Yeah. Alright, this is way too slow. Hell no.
Put on some Adult Swim music, bro.
Adult Swim music? Nah. It's just I can't play hip hop or nothing like that. 'Cause we get copyrighted.
Yeah.
Fucking sucks.
Royalty-free music.
Oh, true, right? Yeah.
On,
Yo, just put on the instrumentals and we'll freestyle over it.
Monkey.
forget if we were to get in now, we could have a really nice stop loss.
We would, yeah, we would. We definitely would. We can.
So do you think it's done dropping?
If we're looking to scalp it for like a quick, quick little entry 10 pips, yeah, I mean, it makes sense. All right, let's go over to this chart here. Looking at GJ. On a one lottie right here. All right, this is the exciting part. What do you think we should buy? I think if we, like I said, if we break above this level right here, shit. There you go. Then I think we should be good. Did you see the screen right there? Starting to actually come up and break it. But think about spread. Spread's gonna get us right up on this level right here. It's not necessarily gonna get us on the price we want it to.
It's so close to 11 to 12 o'clock.
That's fine. We can just get in and get out.
Wait for that 30-minute candle to open. See what the 1 hour is gonna do. If you look at the 1 hour, there's no wick above. So like nobody fucking try to buy.
Yeah, but
Tonight, I'll be eating a falafel wrap with sweet
What?
potato fries.
Fuck.
Just put some Exile.
I love sweet potato fries.
all right, let's see if we do get in here. Where's the 10 pip mark? 10 pips is right around this area here. That looks pretty nice. That's it right there. So this right here that you guys are seeing, this is like the actual terminal where we actually execute the trades, right? So what you were looking at earlier was just to analyze, but this is where we actually execute shit, and we try to make some money off of this. This is where we spent most of the night clenching our asses, making sure that shit goes our way. Yeah. Hey, we did have like 9 people at one. Well, we do. Hey, welcome in 9 viewers. What's going on? Where y'all from, man? I know y'all watching. All right.
I don't like they didn't reach us HLO at all. Like it's missing it for like 2 pips.
Nah, that's still pretty bad. Look what happened last time we were on that level. It just completely turned around. So
No, for sure, but that's the second time. And 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, 5 touches. I wanted to see what. I wanted to see this. It's a possibility it might break. It depends. I mean, we're about to have. We have news, right, for Euro?
No.
Yeah, we do. Right here, the German preliminary.
That's until
It's gonna be good for the Euro, so that means it's bad for the pound. That means the yen. The yen is gonna be strong. It's a buy.
What oh, at 12, I see. But this was the trade we wanted to take.
Huh?
This was the trade we wanted to take.
No, for sure. I mean, like I said, it still buys, right? If we miss that trade, then we buy after 672. As soon as we start breaking out of that. I mean, we get in. What's our stop loss?
Right under the low. That's about like 5, 6 pips.
Under the last 15-minute low?
Here on the 1 minute, you can see like we literally have this low right here, which is if we get in right here, our stop loss is actually the stop loss is 10 pips. Yeah. Let's see.
Yo, I got in on GU.
On a buy?
Yeah.
Hard. Ooh, that shit. Go on, let's get it.
36,464.
That shit.
If you're trying to lose belly fat, stop doing cardio. This sounds
Facts,
backwards,
I have a
right?
belly.
Well, believe it or not, it's actually true.
I
Stop
told you,
spending
fool.
hours
And
on
then
the
the 10
elliptical,
pips is
get in
right up here.
shape.
We'd
Running
would
on the
almost be there at that
treadmill
point.
5 or even
Try it.
6 days a week gets
Go
most
in.
people nowhere.
You want to know why running on the
I don't
treadmill
like it that
7 days
much.
a week doesn't work for you when you're trying to lose weight? Because it never has. And I know that's hard
Jesus
to believe,
Christ, ain't no one give a
but it's
fuck
true.
out or you losing weight. Alright.
Yo, I do, bro. That shit that was motivational for me.
Alright, let's try it. Let's see now. Fuck. No, alright. This bitch gonna continue. It's gonna continue. 5 minute real quick. That fucking spread is shit too. Anybody in trades right now other than Steven?
Hey, what's up, traders? My name's Clay, and I'm running Forex.
Nobody in trades.
Outside capital to trade with. My
Word.
first day of trading actually made $19,000. You can see the deposit there. It's life-changing stuff.
No, word.
I'm going to show you exactly how you can get funded.
Nah, nobody in trades except Steven. Steven, you should play out.
Beautifully.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I'm up. I'm up 11 pips.
Nice. Did you catch exactly where it started turning around? God damn, that fucking. That's... How much are we down here? Down 34 bucks. Who's snoring? Nah, it's not. Huh?
I don't know. It's not me, bro.
Someone doing nose beers?
Yeah.
She stopped.
Oh, it's your girl? Really? Hey, that's cool, man. That's cool, man. That's cool. Yeah.
Long shift.
Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you.
The good thing is that she's not like my stepdad. He sounds like a fucking lion way.
Yeah.
That was hella loud. Se oye como una pinche sopladora. I think it's the music, bro.
The music? That music's pretty cool.
Who's that? Nicki Minaj?
Nah, it's just some like, I don't know. Like
Damn, why you gonna disrespect this beat like that?
Yeah.
I've never heard it.
Nah, it's this shit right here. I don't know, some mix.
Tokyo Drift.
It starts breaking down with close half position, which it is. You just literally need the trade to hit this fucking red bar over here, and that's it. Or at least come back into the white area here. It's just that spread I was trying to get in as soon as it started breaking out of here. But let's see what happens. Huh? Take it out. Real entry actually kind of came right up here, so unfortunately, fucking spreads don't get us where we want to be, but.
Google Fi, a phone plan by Google. Only pay for the data you use with Google Fi's flexible plan. So when you're on Wi-Fi a lot and don't need as much data, you'll only pay $10 per gigabyte used. Sign up at fi.google.com.
It's so tense in here. Jesus Christ.
I just want to see what happens at midnight.
There's a minute left on it.
They're breaking its own low.
On the 1 minute?
Huh?
On the 1 minute?
The 15 minute, its own low.
Oh yeah, down here, yeah.
London's about to open.
Oh yeah, London just opened.
Yeah, I think London session is gonna push it up.
I hope so.
I hope so too. I fucking hope so. Gotta quit fucking playing games.
It looks like, I mean, it's coming down from a big zone, so it could do a huge pullback to 141, 600. But I'm hoping it can, you know, that it respects Asia lows enough to continue to push up. But I'm not seeing buyer's pressure. Every time buyer's pressure, you have 100,000 buyer's pressure per second, and then you have 300,000 sellers pressure per second. What the heck? 0.04, 5.
I entered the. Was it that was GU?
Yeah, gee, for a second.
You should better shoot up like GameStop.
Yeah, for real. We just need
Must say
GU.
DJ Moon.
Yeah.
That's what you need.
That's crazy. From just one tweet, one vlog, one Reddit.
There we go.
Come on, baby, let's go. Come on.
Yo, did you guys continue trading Bitcoin?
Nah.
You guys, everybody was on a hot streak.
I still have a thing open.
But you're doing it long term, no?
Yeah.
That's. I feel like Bitcoin is a current Vegas.
If it starts breaking this low here, I'll probably close half of the position.
I closed half of mine in like 10 pips.
No.
Zam, Zaddy.
That's not exactly where I wanted to get in, but fucking spread got us up all the way up here.
Yo, spreads were crazy today.
Yeah. Yeah, alright. Closing half position. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. No, that entry was way too late. No, fuck that. Alright, cool. Well. First loss of the night.
Come to the dark side and go to GU.
That did not go the way I thought it was gonna go.
Nah, it didn't.
Yo, I'm gonna head out though. I gotta be up early. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Yo, good luck tonight, boys.
For sure, man. Have
a good night.
Later, man.
All right, bro. See you later.
Later.
I really like GJ.
Huh?
I really like this pair.
GJ?
Yeah.
I used to like it too. I don't like it so much no more.
Like, because you would GJ.
I caught a good trade earlier on Euro USD, but that was like during Asia session.
That was a nice one.
And then I caught Euro JPY as well, and that shit was cool. But like for some fucking reason, bro, like GJ's dumb as fuck, bro. Sometimes like
Just playing games.
yeah.
Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go. No. What time frame are you on? The 1 minute?
Yeah. Damn, everything else played out except this shit. I'm new in trading, trying to learn. Riley, what's up, man? Welcome in. How long you been trading for, bro? Or have you just literally started, or what? I feel like this bitch is gonna shoot right the fuck up too.
It totally comes to GU.
Ah, damn it. There it is.
It's now breaking the 5-minute highs. 15-minute.
Boom.
Oh, wow, dude. Wow.
Let's go.
TP would have been very close. Yeah. 3 days. So 3 days you just been learning how to trade, man. Yeah, I mean you're very, very new. You got a lot to learn as well, man. But if you are trying to learn, dude, I mean, like I said, we get on here nightly, so you can always come and check out the channel and just kind of see what we're looking at, kind of trades we're taking, all that good stuff. Which right now one just didn't really play out in our favor at the moment, but if we find another entry, we can definitely. You could go ahead and try to like either trade it with us or whatever the case is. But yeah. Awesome. Thanks. Yeah, no problem, man. Anytime. Where are you from? Where you guys from? Ruben, what's up, man? Welcome in. We live in LA right now, dude. Yeah, we've been here for a few months now, and Minnesota. Awesome, right on, dude. So it's like 3 a.m. for you out there, right? 3 a.m. Yeah. Yep. 2:11 a.m. Yeah, right on. That's nice, man. Do you normally stay up to trade these hours or what? That shit jumped up for 13 pips. Ain't that some shit? Sometimes when I can't sleep. Have y'all heard of I Am Academy? Oh shit, I Am Academy, isn't that IML? Damn. IML's definitely where a lot of people have started, and if that's where you've started, man, I mean, listen, right now all I can tell you is take in that and take in. I mean, if you already bought the subscription, try to learn as much as you can from it. I mean, you can't do anything about it, but just learn, right? Take what you have. But I wouldn't. I'd suggest you not to like renew your subscription or anything like that. Just, man, honestly. Oh, you haven't? Okay, good. Then don't. Don't.
Yeah, no,
don't.
Listen, I Am Academy is a scam. Okay. If anybody is promising you to make money, if you bring in people, right? That's a pawn site scheme. That's pyramid scheme, right? That's like Herbalife and Amway, kind of that stuff like that, right?
Herbalife's tea is pretty good because I went to take a shit afterwards. That was great.
Yeah,
but
I'm sure it is, but it doesn't take away from the fact that it's a scam.
Yeah, it's pyramid scheme, of course.
So
no,
I definitely recommend to go against it. I'm not saying that, I'm not gonna tell you, hey, take our course, right? Because I mean, it's there if you want to, but look, research your options. I recommend that you go to Baby Pips to start learning. It's a free course. It basically teaches you everything you need to know. And if you still have doubts and you enjoy reading what Baby Pips has to say and how they handle the fundamentals and the technical analysis, and you want to go a little bit more in depth, then we have a mentorship program in the link that right now we have for 325. You get, it's a lifetime mentorship. You get over 50 hours of content, 30 classes from beginner all the way to advanced, right? But I definitely don't recommend you buy it. Not because I don't want you to buy it, right? Because obviously we want to have more students, but I think if you know, it's been 3 days. If you think that trading is for you, start with Baby Pips, right? Start with Baby Pips. If you like it and you think it's something that's gonna help you in the future, then come back and you know, just watch our live sessions. You know, we trade every day. You know, we're in LA, so for us it's Sunday through Thursday. For I don't know where you are. For you might be Monday through Friday, right? But definitely look into Baby Pips first to really read and understand what trading is all about. And if it still catches your eye, then come back, brother. I mean, we're more than welcome to help you, you know, to guide you, to mold you, and to teach you what we know. You know, that's one of the things that sets us apart from every other course is that it's specifically personalized for, you know, people like you know, people that don't really understand what trading is, what Forex is, when you trade Forex, how you trade Forex, right? And if you know, once you become an advanced, once you gain that experience, right? Then that's when you start making those kind of investments. Then you'll gain that experience with Baby Pips, and then you can come with us, and then you really see what you really, you know, what you need to know, right? And the experience itself is what you're paying for, right? We made those mistakes so you guys didn't have to, right? We make these mistakes live so you guys don't have to, type of deal, right? I can't hear you.
If you are watching the stream and you enjoying the stream, bro, just hit that like button. It's greatly appreciated. Definitely helps out the channel. And if you do want to keep up with us, like I said, subscribe, man. What is the lot size you trading? Right now, we're on a 1 lot, but like we actually got stopped out, and right now we're waiting for another opportunity to get it back in. So we risked about like 10 pips on that trade. Nothing too crazy, but you know what I mean.
We're only risking a 0.5% per trade. I mean, we can risk up to 3%, right? But it depends on the trade that we want to take.
Yeah.
It's just right now, the bullish momentum on GJ has stopped for a minute, and it's having some sort of pullback. And we're just waiting to retest. To see what happens with Asia lows, to see if it's going to respect it or if it's going to get broken.
Yeah. What other pairs are you guys watching, man, for the night? Do you guys normally trade GJ? Do you guys trade GP pairs in general, or what is it that you guys do? Cool. Yeah, I know someone from high school who that tried to get me into IM Academy for $240. I was like, no thanks. I was trying to learn online. Read more about it, and it's a pyramid scam. So yeah, I mean, dude, like I've known about IML since like 2016, 2017. So you know, I've been able to like really adapt and like learn off of YouTube and a few other courses that I took that definitely helped out. And so yeah, I mean, I know a few people, man. Actually, we have a few students who came from IML, and they're in our mentorship as well. So.
Listen, IML has. I don't want to knock their hustle, right? I don't want to knock their hustle because you know they gotta make a living. My problem with IML is that they make a living out of selling mentorships and bringing in people more so than trading, right? Because their style of trading is, they're basically doing what, the harmonic scan or some shit like that.
Yeah, the harmonic scanner.
Yeah.
Hey, you seen?
What's up?
They're not. Go ahead.
You seen that guy that got exposed on YouTube? He's 19. He said he turned 2,000 to 2 million, but he had a signal group, but he's, I think it was like $50 or $100 per month, but he was taking signals from a free group and put it on his. Yeah.
Oh no shit.
And he got caught.
There's
he made 2 million and he's 19.
Have you heard of a guy named Mamba FX?
Yeah.
Yeah, that fool.
He got exposed too.
Well, he didn't get exposed. He actually exposed someone from IML. He put it on YouTube.
I seen that.
He met up with a dude at a park, and the dude's like trying to pitch him the idea of like, oh, this is what I do, this and that. And he's like, bro, all right, let me see your live account. And the homie was like, nah, I ain't got it right now. I'm on demo, but this is what I be doing on demo. It's like, yo, bro, come on.
Yeah, I seen that shit. There was a guy on YouTube that exposed Mamba for his signals. He said he put 5,000 and he took his signal for 2 months doing one loss and he lost his 5,000.
Damn.
He had like a 30% win ratio.
Damn, bro, that's crazy.
Hey, that's crazy. It could be a bad month though too, We've been having a bad week, dude.
Yeah, it's yeah.
But to lose a $5,000 count on one loss only?
Well, $5,000 on one loss is a little risky. You're risking, what is that? Depending on the pips, let's say he was risking...
Probably like 3%. 2-3%.
He was risking 10 pips, right?
Mamba FX was a student of Daniel Savage. I don't know Chief? About that. Was it? Is he?
I'm up $30.
Euro Chief?
No, GBP Chief. I'm up $30.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I
went for the
forgot
sale.
about these too, man.
IML has live charts.
Damn.
Look, my entry is 121,625.
It's not the same, right? So these guys are gonna sell you signals, right?
Keep going, baby. Right there.
You take the signal, it's already a little you're getting. These guys are taking, 5-10 pips. Because they do sort of like option trading, right? So, honestly, to me,
it's just gonna stop. I'm waiting. Look, I'm waiting for that 1 hour to go here.
It's so stupid and it's so corny, but it's so true. Give a man a fish, and he eats for a day. Teach a man how to fish, he eats for a lifetime, right? And honestly, that's the way I see it. It's so much better for you to actually learn how to trade than for you to,
Here's your TP, bro.
There you go.
42 pips. If you hold that.
GBP Chef. Jeez. Swiss franc. What made you trade that?
Any GP pairs feel GP CAD, GP. You know what I mean? Like, there's pairs out there that we fucking like. Bro, GJ been giving some shit. And there's these pairs that are like, bro, all right, these is, you know what I mean? There's some pairs that really look smooth and they fucking give out
easy
nice
setup.
projections.
On resistance is breaking down easy.
Yeah, it makes sense.
I mean, you CAD, right? You CAD.
Hell no, you CAD hella wink. Fuck that.
No.
Yeah.
USD CAD, I bought that shit from the bottom. That be skyrocketing like 160 pips over the night.
Yeah.
I was so mad.
Yeah, no, so I'm not sure if Mamba came from Daniel Savage, but
that's what he said.
Is that what he said?
I don't know who Mamba FX is.
Mamba FX,
Mamba FX, some white boy.
Yeah.
He black.
Yeah. IML has live charts at certain times and do trades in like 30 minutes. I don't get it. So yeah, I mean, it's like he said, binary options, man. That shit, you can be in trades for like 3 minutes. And if you buy, that shit better stay above your entry. If it doesn't, you already lost your trade.
We don't bet. We're not gamblers, right?
Yeah.
What you're doing in IML, that's gambling. What we do here, we take calculated risk. We understand our exit strategy before entering, and then what we do is we know.
So like Yeah. For example, like you have, like if you want to risk, like really see your kind of risk that you should be taking. Say you have $1,000 account, right? We risk no more than, I would say, like 3% sometimes, right? No more than 3%. Keep a stop loss of like 10 pips, and this is what you should be trading. You should be trading 0.30s, and risk 30 pips. I mean $30, and enter with 0.30s, right? So that's 3%. Now 1% is going to be 0.10, and you should only be risking $10 per trade. You know, I know some people who be trading fucking 10% of their account, bro. That shit's, you know, that's a one lot on $1,000 account. Like, there's nothing wrong with that, but like, you know, that you understand that you have 10 trades to not blow this account. You know what I mean? You got 10 trades to not blow this account, bro.
Yeah,
so
I hope that those 10 out of, you know, those 10 come back. You know, starting off, it's very hard. It's difficult. You're gonna look at the chart. You're gonna get lost. You're not gonna know what's going on.
Yeah.
But eventually, you know, once it clicks and it makes sense, it has the potential to change your life, right? But definitely, honestly, it's great that you're investing into IML or that you're thinking about it or whatever, because it shows that you care. It shows that you wanna, you know, that you want more, right? And that's the first step, having that mindset. And there's nothing that can stop you with that type of mindset, right? If you think you're going to be successful, you're going to be successful, because it's all about that mindset. So I definitely, you know, kudos to you for, you know, for trying that out. You know, hopefully, you know, whether you decide to go with them or not, hey, you're doing something, right? You're doing something to change your life, right? You're trying to look for another source of income, right? And you know, whether it's Forex, stock market, day trading, option trading, binaries, it's good that you're trying to make that change. But at the same time, you gotta be careful, because there's, unfortunately, this community is so toxic that there's so many people trying to take advantage of you, right? If anybody's offering you something that's too good to be true, it's more than likely it's fake, right? Somebody telling you to send them a Bitcoin, they'll send you 5,000 Bitcoin. Obviously, it's a scam. If somebody's telling you that, you know, if you learn how to, you know, that if you take the course, you're gonna become a millionaire, or you're gonna be a six-figure trader, that's bullshit too. Listen, 90% of the people that get into Forex, they end up quitting, right? The 10% that end up staying, only 5% are profitable within 5 years. Those are good stats. Those are stats from, you can look it up from Ameritrade, you can look it up from Edward Jones. So I mean, you know, your chances are slim, right? I'm not trying to scare you or anything, but it's something that this is not like your 9 to 5. Right? This is a job. You gotta treat it like a job, because if you treat it like a hobby, you're never gonna get anywhere. But this is not like your 9 to 5 where you can come in, put 8 hours, and you're gonna get the money. No, that's not how this works. Forex, you know, being a day trader means that you get paid for your analysis. You're getting paid for the time that you put in, based on the analysis and the work and the study that you put in, right? That's what you're really getting paid for. So it's not about just giving it a bunch of time. It's about really applying yourself to make sure that you study the content, that you understand the fundamentals, that you understand how to do your technical analysis. And you know, that's something that Aero and myself that we teach in the course. You take our course, that's what you will be learning.
So Mamba FX, is he a scam? I don't know if he's a scam. I think, dude, like, I know how much he makes off of his signals, bro. He makes like 150,000 off of signals alone.
Wow, 150K?
Yeah, 150,000 off of signals alone. So I mean, that's huge, you know what I mean? But I don't know if he's a scam like that. But I have been watching some of his shit. It's very, like, to be honest with you, man, like a lot of these courses like that are coming out.
I know who he is.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's He was one of Daniel Savage's first students.
There you go.
Yeah,
So I guess so.
He took the course. He took Q Banks. He took Q Banks course, and he hated it. He talks so much shit. He's one of the guys that started Forex Busters.
Oh,
you remember that?
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. He was exposing everybody. I don't know what happened, but I guess they're not good. I think Daniel and him just got good just recently. But this guy came from Uncle Ted.
How long have you been? For 5 years, man. I would say 5 years now.
We're going to 6 now.
Yeah.
2021, bro.
Something like that. Yeah.
August will be 6 years.
Yeah. Going on to 6 years now.
Fucking 6 rough years, brother. Though.
Yeah.
Let me tell you that.
First three. I mean, like it was definitely a rough patch, but I mean, you learn from that shit, man, and you just move on. You know what I mean? But that's how it is.
We stopped trading this like a hobby, man.
Yeah.
And started trading it like a real job.
Yep.
I haven't worked a job for like 2.5 years. I don't have a 9 to 5 or 8 to 5, whatever.
Nah,
How long has it been since you had a job?
Since August. I quit my job in August.
Yeah, we trade full time.
I was like, nope. It's just honestly, man, like when you really put in the time to try to understand this and you're very disciplined about it, you treat it like your actual business, like an actual job, and you do the things that you need to do as far as even off of the charts. Like right here, this shit, honestly, bro, like, you know, your entries, it's just really analyzing and all that, bro. It's not much, dude. It's like 30% of your time, right? Where you spend 70% of the time off of the charts. Like, what are you doing to like improve, right? So, you know, are you back testing? Are you journaling your trades? Are you continuing to learn whatever content it is that you're learning? Like, are you continuing to study, right? Because when you're on the charts here, man, this is just a quick in and out, you know.
Asia low.
Fool has been reaching Asia low.
No, it literally just did.
Fool, we been reached Asia low. Look at this.
Yeah, we just broke it.
We've been fucking reached that shit.
I think we should buy now.
Alright. It's that fucking spread though. That's what I hate. Bro, Hugo's way is getting me on my fucking nerves, man. That spread is ugly, dude. I'm thinking about switching back over to Trader's Way. What do you think about it? I've sent you a chart. Where'd you send it at?
I sent a chart.
Did you
you didn't send a chart.
Did you send it did you send the link? Send the link here in the chat.
Don't send the link. Send the last after chart.
Oh yeah, true.
Or if you send the link, then just make sure you go to your chart properties and go to I believe it is trading, and then click on allowed others. That way you can send a link and we can see it.
Yo, those of you guys that are watching, man, listen, thank you guys for tuning in. If you are enjoying the stream, bro, drop that like, hit that subscribe button, man, so you guys can stay up to date with us if you guys want to continue learning how to trade and shit. We talk about this shit all the time. We'll be on again tomorrow night, and it should be an interesting night tomorrow, so it should be cool. Is this the link right here, or the last? Let's see here.
You gotta put chart.
Oh, chart.
Yeah, chart slash.
Like that? No, hold on. Oh, chart. Oh, okay, got it. Trading view. Nah, it's got to be through. You know what you can do, bro? Do you have Instagram, dude? I think it'd probably be the easiest way. For some reason, like we can't. I don't know. YouTube doesn't allow the links like that.
Here, let me show you.
Or you do it. Go ahead. Try it out. Pull it up first.
All right. No, it's good. All right. Punk anime. Here's what you gotta do. Go back to your trading view. Right? Tell me once you're in your trading view. Let me show you how you do it. Drop a 1 if you're looking at your trading view.
I dropped the like button. We'll recommend y'all to my friends. Word, bro. Hey, thank you guys for dropping the likes. Hell yeah. Thank you for coming clutch there, man.
Alright. Punk, are you in the trading view? If you're in your trading view, go look at your top right hand corner where it says publish. To the left hand side, there's a little camera icon. It says take a snapshot, or you can do Alt S. Right? Click on the snapshot, and that link that it's gonna give you, you're gonna copy it from the X to the end. You have to give us the one with the X.
Yeah.
Because the one that you gave us, you have to publish it for us to actually see it. So you have to take a snapshot, and then from the X, copy the X after everything after the X, just copy it, and then we can see the chart, and we'll look at your analysis.
There he is. He took his shit right there. Euro JPY as well. I was watching Euro JPY though. Some bitch.
We are live 11 to around 2 a.m. Pacific time.
Yeah, so that would be like 5 a.m. your time, bro. Till 5 a.m. your time.
Where is he?
I think you're East Coast, right?
East Coast?
Yeah, Minnesota, no?
Oh no.
That's the Central.
Same time as Colorado.
Okay, so.
So,
I think.
What's Denver?
No, Denver's only an hour ahead. Central, yeah. So Denver's mountain time. So Central, you're 2 hours ahead. So right now your time is 2. Hey, my boy, what's up, man? Shit. What up, dude? Josh, welcome in, bro. By Iowa, Wisconsin. Oh, so you a Packers fan, huh? Are you a Packers fan? Wait, no, you're a Vikings fan.
You're from Minnesota.
You a Vikings fan.
Yeah, you're over there from Minneapolis? What city? Minneapolis, St. Cloud, Lulu, Rochester.
Yes, you're a Vikings fan. Nice. Right on, man.
I think he was probably happy with shit about.
Huh?
We're a little too late.
No, actually we're not. No, we just barely broke the high right now. Do you want to take a buy? That shit.
I like this thing. Another shot?
Yeah, I guess so. If we take 2 losses, I don't know if we should continue trading for the night, but we could just watch the charts. Uh, 15 minutes sleep. I'm from Kentucky, Funtucky. Damn, you guys are from like, yeah, man. I mean, right on, dude. How you guys like it out there, man?
I'm from Kentucky. 15 minutes from St. Paul. You guys are super close.
We can take another buy. It's just we gotta do it now. If not, that spread is gonna kick us all the way up to the top.
Yeah, but we already missed 6 pips.
Oh, what's your target at? How many pips is that gonna produce?
Well, this is where I want it. And this is going stop loss.
By where? Well, we're looking at JPY buys. But entry's not looking too good as far as like one thing that I see, man. Huh? You trying to go in or what? Is that? Buy right now?
If it pulls back to 142, 343, we're fine.
343? Alright.
I think so.
Say less.
With a stop loss of 254, will be 8 pips. What are we listening to?
I don't know, but it's not copyrighted, so I'm digging it. I don't know.
It's not copyrighted?
Nah.
It's royalty free?
I dig it. Put in chat what you do. What do you mean, like call it out? I mean, we'll call it out. Y'all know exactly when we're about to get in, but we're looking at GP, JPY, bias.
Everything we do is 100% transparent. Whenever we end a trade, you'll see it.
Yeah, we're looking for.
We don't go based on trading view. We show you exactly our broker account.
Our entry, you know
You see in the top left hand corner, this is this way, it's a real account, live account.
Yo. This is just a what it is. It's a managed account, so we're not over leveraging or anything like that. But this is an account we're managing at the moment. But personal accounts be a little different. You know what I mean?
This is the real money come in.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Eventually, though, this investor is gonna get real good money.
Yeah.
You got, like I said, you gotta learn how to. The key to being a successful trader is consistency. Learning how to manage your emotions and having that consistency. Once you learn that, forget about it.
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
Who done left? Oh, Steven left. I didn't even fucking notice. Hey, no, real talk though. Thank y'all for watching, man, for sticking through, for hanging out with us. We ain't the most entertaining of the bunch, but we try to keep y'all awake. You know what I mean?
No, fuck that. We're the most entertaining. Everybody else is boring. We're the most entertaining and the most transparent. I think in YouTube trading, there's like two others that are good. But transparency wise,
I put 250 in the account on Monday, and I'm now at 280. Okay, cool. So you got it up.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. $30 profit, man. That's good. Good job.
That's actually
That's pretty good.
That's actually really good for that type of account. That's pretty fucking good.
That's good. Now let me ask you, what kind of lot sizes you got in on?
Oh, probably 0.10s.
Yeah, let me see. What kind of lot size you got in on there?
You put so right, check this out. You put 200, right? So here, I know that's awesome, right? But check this out. You put $250, right? In less than 1 week, you make $30. Looks like shit, right? This is only 280. Fuck it. What is that? But do you know what happened to your account here? You grew your account by 11% in 1 week. Let me put this into perspective. When you have your money, your savings in the bank, when you have your money in a savings account, you are yielding an annual rate of close to, I believe, 1 to, if you get really lucky and you go to a risky bank like Ally or something like that, you get 2% annual return. If you go with bonds, stock market, if you're lucky, you're looking to get a, if you go to bonds and IRAs, you're looking at an annual return of 4 to 5%. If you are really lucky and you go to the stock market, you are looking at an average of 5 to 10% growth annually. You grew your account by 11% in 1 week. If you would have had this money, if you would have had the $250 in the bank, you would have only made $25, right, in 1 year. So now, right, take that into consideration when I tell you that, you know, day trading can change your life. However, by me looking at your trade, I don't have to look at your trades or your account. Just by seeing that, I can guarantee you that you're over leveraging, and you know you're gonna get those up and downs. So I know, you know, even with IML, I know 240 sounds like a lot of money, or when you go to other people's courses, you know, I mean, our course is super cheap. It's $325. Right, but then there's other people that have, you know, 500, 800, 900, 2,000, 5,000. I definitely recommend that you invest. Good night,
I have a
Christian.
question. All right.
That you invest in your, you know, you invest in your future, that you invest in yourself, because it's gonna be a lot easier for you to learn with somebody else and to learn on your own and make those, you know, and make those mistakes that could have been easily avoided. So, you know, just be careful. Definitely invest in yourself. You're already doing the right thing by getting in, you know, and making sure that you make it happen. But just be careful. Definitely think about it. Invest in yourself and get yourself a mentor. Start with the baby pips. If you really like trading, then go for it. But dude, you can make a killing with Forex. I'm not saying you're gonna become a millionaire, right? I'm not saying you can't, but you know, if you put the time, the effort, you're patient, you study, you dedicate it, you stay motivated, it can happen. No doubt. No doubt. If it breaks 142, 214, you like it? Yeah. But the thing, if you look at the 15, go to the 15. Yeah. How much is that? Zoom in to there. Sure. Where's the next? No. I'm looking for. We would have to do it here though. Yeah, exactly, right there. That would be the TP. I'm just looking. What's inside this range? Huh? No. I'm saying what's inside this range. Like, go to the left. Let's see what happens, like, from before. Yeah. So you have, like, what the price do when it came from that zone. Yeah, look.
Sorry, and we're paying attention to market structure here. Like, we're still on an uptrend on the 4 hours. So we have our last higher low, higher high, right? But on the 1 hour, if we actually break our last higher low, higher high, we break this higher low, we're coming down to at least this area down here, which can be our new higher low on the 4 hour, right? So So if we do break structure here, these sells are valid to continue.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I think it'll
That makes sense.
Yeah. And at that point, our TP, you see our TP lines up with the 61.8. Yeah. We'll wait for it.
Where do you pull the fibs from?
From swing low to swing high. So this entire area here. Yeah. Cool. So we'll wait for that. That'll be the next trade. Anyone who is looking at the trade right now, we'll wait for this break. This should continue if we do end up breaking these lows here. So, and like I said, if we catch this solid 30 pips right off the bat, man, we'll be cooling with that. But again, man, anyone who is new into the channel, thank you guys for watching. You know, again, all the support helps to push the algorithm. Yeah, YouTube can be a little tricky to at least get some viewers and all that good stuff, man. So you are enjoying the stream, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and keep up with us, man. You guys can catch some of these trades with us as well. So, yup. Oh, that's why. Mark, are you still awake? Damn, fool.
I'm over here drawing the chart and shit.
Oh, you're on the computer too?
Yeah.
Hey, that's
I'm
cool.
looking at the Euro USD.
Yeah.
Like I made the EMA for 50.
Okay.
And you should check that one out.
No, I used to use it. EMA, yeah, I used to use it. Back in the day. But like now I try to not have like there's nothing wrong with indicators. The one thing with me, indicators, like they tend to lag behind, right? So you know, it sometimes like it will give you a clear picture, but like here, the moving average exponential. So if I add, you said 50, right?
Yeah, hold on, let me see, because I'm not looking at your thing, I'm looking at the chart.
Okay, there you go. So
yeah.
So I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It will definitely help out as far as directional wise, right? And once you have the cross, then you look to buy. If you have like the cross here, you look to sell. You have another cross here which came in pretty early, which is great. So if you would have caught this, you know, along with everything else that you've learned so far as levels broken, you would have been able to catch a good 93 pips, which is cool. So,
yeah, because right there it shows the big bull candle next to the big long red one.
Yeah, this one here. Or what you mean? This one here?
That's too low already.
No, that's too low already. Yeah, so here your confirmation on the 1 hour would have been just basically the break of this low here anyway, or the break of this low, which, you know, it just continued after that. You know what I mean? But if you're using it even on the 15-minute, look how early you can get in based off of an entry as soon as you have the cross. So yeah, I mean, no, EMAs are cool. I think moving averages are probably like the one indicator that I'm always like, all right, you know what, indicate the moving average is cool. But anything else like stochastic, like fucking RSIs, like RSIs are cool, but I try to stay away from that just because they tend to lag. Like if I add it right now, we're literally on the candle, so you don't really know what's about to happen. So unless you have like a valid cross and then all of a sudden this like turns around, then you're gonna have the EMA follow. But other than that, you know what I mean? That setup is clean and simple. Which one, Josh? The Euro USD? Yo, hey, nice to have you in here, man. Shit, it's been a minute, bro. I've been trying to get you and Abe to come on in. Caught 10 pips on USD CAD. Did you end up buying? I think it was actually pushing up, wasn't it? Yeah, it was pushing up. Nice. Good job, dude. No, that's great, man. Let me ask you guys, how many trades do you guys usually take a night? Do you guys like just keep trading until you're like, you know, I'm good, or do you guys have like a set of rules as to, you know, what do you stick to? Three? Good. Nice. Very nice. That's good. 3? Yeah, good job. That's a good way to stay disciplined, man. Like, that's something we try to do, right? And we do pretty well with it. There is times where we get a little carried away, but it is what it is, right? But yeah, if we end up taking 2 wins, we call it a day. We end up taking 2 losses, we call it a day. We took a loss earlier, but this would be probably another good trade. If we catch this one, we win, right? Not only that, but this trade was gonna make up for what we lost just now, so, and more. Now we're gonna profit some nice profits from here. Huh? The what? Oh yeah, we'll be at 3. Yeah. So we'll be good with that trade alone. If we catch his entire move, we'll be good. Like, we'll be chilling. Now, ideally, again, guys, like, ideally, you would want to catch it from the very top. And there's a lot of things that you can apply with that, right? Like, for example, you have a higher high that was created on the 4 hour. You also have a hedge, Head and shoulders, my bad, head and shoulders. I don't know why I had like a brain fart, but you have your left shoulder, right head, right shoulder. So that's a perfect pattern to then like look for some potential sells here. And then not only that, you're in a very strong level, high probability level as to why the market would react to this level here, right? So yeah, I mean, right now you're seeing it play out. If we get the solid break, I don't see why it shouldn't continue. So it's going down to the 15 real quick. Now, question: do you how are we planning this one? Okay.
But I mean, we're gonna see a break.
Okay.
A retest on the 1 minute, or
on the 1 minute.
A break on the 5.
Alright, sounds good. That's the plan. If we catch his move, this is gonna be a good win for the week. If we catch this, shit, this will be great.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh. Guys, please, if you're enjoying yourselves, if you are liking the stream, like, subscribe, follow. We offer a mentorship program. Everything is in the description. You don't have to take it. Obviously, if you really want to learn, you're more than welcome to. You can learn at your own pace. You can learn what you earn. What you're learning. Every night you can jump in with us, take our setups. You'll take our losses or winners, etc. We're 100% transparent with our team, with our students, with all our viewers. We use Ugo's Way as a broker. All our analysis is done in TradingView. And if you guys are still a little bit skeptical, there is a free group chat that we do on Telegram. Please go ahead and follow that. This, risk-free. There's no money involved, nothing. All we do is send out signals once in a while. We give you free education, and every time we are live or we're doing a free webinar, you'll know on our Telegram. And if you guys want to be really nice, please go ahead and follow our Instagram at Aero Financial Group. Yeah, buddy.
Oh my bad, I keep like muting myself, my bad.
Those vibes right there.
A what?
IG vibes.
Oh yeah, IG vibes right here. So this is our group page, guys. If you guys want to follow us, jump it, come on here, bro. Obviously right now we got some like quotes and all good stuff, but we are gonna add a lot more stuff in there too.
We just started. We're just starting off.
Yeah.
You guys are at the very beginning of everything.
Yeah. So definitely take advantage of that.
A year from now.
Definitely take advantage of that, man.
What is this?
I don't know, man. I'm digging it though.
Weird.
Yeah. How long do you put your trade in for? It really depends, man. Like, depends on what you're shooting for. Like, what's your TP, you know, and if you're willing to really sit patiently and wait for your TPs to get hit. Here's the thing, man. One of the many struggles that all the traders go through, man, is not being able to let their trades hit target. Like, if you can't let your trades hit target, bro, you're never gonna be consistent in trading whatsoever, bro. Like, you have to build that patience, and as soon as you let your trades hit target, bro, like you're good. Like, you know what I mean? I followed John Insta. Hey, word, cool, appreciate it, man. Yeah, so like I said, right now we're just waiting for the break. We're well into 2 hours of live stream.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Oh, which reminds me, fuck, alright. Oh, fuck. Yeah, you get the ladies some of these flowers here.
What happened?
I forgot to order these. I'm gonna get her some sympathy flowers.
Whoops.
Whoops.
Whoops. GJ has not been trading as well during this range.
No, it has not. Anybody else in trades right now? Who's still in a trade? Anyone in the chat? Anyone who's watching? And just drop something in here and let us know what trades you're in and how has your trading app been going. While I look for some flowers here. All right.
What do you guys got for the Super Bowl?
Oh, that's a good one.
Bucks and Chiefs, guys. Bucks and Chiefs. Drop it down in the chat. What you guys got?
Yeah, buddy. I'm going with the Bucks on this one, man. Tom Brady's.
Yeah, buddy. Bucks.
Tom Brady's. GJ not having it today.
Not having it today. No, but it didn't make a wick down either. Bucks, two players up there play for the Minnesota Gophers. school movie. What is that? So like the Division 1 team? Or?
Oh wait. I got two players on there play for the Minnesota Gophers. Oh, see, yeah, I don't know about all that.
College football.
Oh, okay, kind of threw me off there. I ain't go to college. Yeah, man. Unfortunately, I mean, but I think I'm doing all right. It's all right. Yeah. It would have been cool, go doing the whole college experience. I think about it sometimes, like, man, going to some like dorm and shit. Cool. Valencia Community College down the road. And we'd be hella late trying to go to Planet Smoothie and get us the smoothies before we go to class. That was the times, man. That was the times.
Good old days.
Good old days. College, let's see. College was pretty awesome, to be honest. No, I bet, dude. I bet. I mean, it's just like sometimes, like I definitely tried it. I could say I tried it, but it just, I don't know, dude. It just wasn't for me, man. I school itself, man. Even like all throughout the years, like I know I could have done great if I really applied myself, but I just chose not to, you know what I mean? And so now I'm doing this, which is great, so can't complain, bro. I'm digging these vibes so much better than the tech house and shit we were listening to. It's actually pretty chill, yeah. Besides the coast, it's not for everyone. Yeah, no, I mean it's definitely not. But you tend to like learn your strengths and weaknesses even after that. Like honestly, dude, after high school, trying out college, like those are my party years, and actually it was both of our party years because we kind of grew up together. But I learned a lot from that, you know what I mean? And I feel like a lot of people who haven't experienced that, then later on they want to experience it when they're in their 30s and shit like that. Not to say that you need it, but sometimes you want, it's like, damn, I didn't get to enjoy my youth years, right? My high school years and all that shit.
I don't think so.
Nah, see, he agrees. Riley agrees. Agree 100%. No, you for sure, bro. Because then when you get like locked down, you settle down with a girl, bro. Here's the thing. We're about to get into a whole nother topic right now. But you want to go fuck around. That's, you know what I mean? That's a lot of the times what happens in relationships later on in life. You didn't get to enjoy your youth years, bro. So before you decide to settle down, get that shit out of your system completely. And that's facts.
That's a girl, dude. Right is a girl.
Really? I'm a girl. It's all good. Really? Oh shit! My bad. Damn. Okay. All right. But Riley, you know exactly where I'm coming from. You know exactly where I'm coming from. All right. My bad. I didn't see the picture. I don't know. I have a hard time telling like, who's coming in, who's coming out, right? So. my bad. All right. Cool. Well, anyway, so. I mean, I guess that would apply for women too, right?
It's the same thing, but no.
That would apply for women too.
I don't agree with you. I think it's a little bit different. I think if men want to fuck around, it has nothing to do with the women that you're like with your girlfriend or with your wife. I think you fuck around because you fucked up in the head.
No,
I don't think it's because you missed out. Nah, that's so psychological, I think. I don't think that you missing out on life is what makes you cheat.
I think it does, man. I think it does, especially when you get a little taste of it too. But for myself, like I said, I got that shit out of my system, so I'm like, all right, I'm cool with it. I'm cool. I'm good. You say you got a bro? How old are you, Riley, by the way, if you don't mind me asking? 26? Oh, okay, yeah. All right, cool. Yeah. I'm 29. You're what? 29 too? 29. Yeah, we're 29.
I turned 29 a couple weeks.
Okay, yeah. So, nah, hey, cool. Yeah, like I said, you've kind of gone through that phase too. I'm sure, like you just coasted through like high school, coasted through like college. Are you still in college now, or did you already graduate? About to put my whole stimulus on Toys R Us. Fucking guy. That's stimmy. That's stimmy, dog. Oh,
bring back the wrestling toys.
Hey. I graduated. Cool. What was your major?
Still awake?
I don't know what flowers to get her. Exercise. Wait, exercise. How you say that?
Physiology.
Physiology. There you go. Physiology. See, that's why I'm dumb as shit in school. So.
I'm sorry, Riley. He's making us look bad right
My
now.
bad. Nah, listen, man. You talk to me about charts, I got you. But you know what I mean, like, is that something that you're doing now as far as like work, or did you like graduate and then go straight into that field, or what?
Exercise physiology. Are you I think I have a friend that does that. Are you the one that goes to the professional teams and you kind of like part-time meteorologist, kind of like part-time their personal trainer, that type of thing? And if somebody has like a sprained ankle or something, what needs to get done to
Oh, that's what it is, yeah.
the swelling and stuff? Is that what you're into, or am I like 100% wrong?
100% wrong. You're 100% full of shit.
No, I have a friend that does that. You met her, Brittany.
Oh yeah, I think.
I think that's kinesiology.
Yeah.
No way.
Huh?
That's probably kinesiology, no?
I have. It could be. I don't know.
Oh no.
Yeah, I think that's kinesiology, bro.
Are you off tomorrow, Marco, or what?
No, bro. I'm gonna go to work early, but
what time are you going in at?
Kind of también putting time into like learning this stuff too, you know.
Yeah, of course, man. That's good. What time are you gonna be up at?
Maybe like 7:30.
Oh, okay, that's not bad. You got a few hours to sleep. Yeah. That's not bad. We'd be going to sleep at like 3, bro. We'd be waking up at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. every fucking day. I don't even power nap either. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do like be passing out because I feel it. I'm like, yo, fuck, I gotta go to sleep.
Yeah.
But nah, man. I mean, if you get that grind mentality, bro, like you can overcome it.
Yeah, bro. I mean, eventually, I also want to make this like a full-time thing for me, you know?
No, of course. For sure. Absolutely.
That's awesome, bro. Do it. We're still young. We can make it happen.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. You're not 50 yet.
Yeah.
After 50,
Nah, but the good thing is too, like obviously doing this, you could be getting old, you know, and this is like you have to work with your brain, you know. You don't have to be physically working, because at one point we're not all gonna be able to like physically work anymore, you know.
You can get mentally stressed and mentally exhausted with this shit sometimes. That's
Oh,
for
yeah.
sure.
Yeah, this is super stressful.
This is stressful as fuck,
Yeah.
especially when you're trading like large accounts, dude. Oh yeah. But that's something that like once you get used to, as far as even building an account from the start, like once you're ready to drop some serious money, you should already have a good understanding,
Exactly.
It's all good. This is awesome. I'm enjoying, and I was going to go back and do physical therapy. Okay. All right. Yeah. No, that's cool. But changed and now in grad school for my master's in special education. Okay. Hey, nice. And now in grad school for my master's in special. That's awesome. Hell yeah.
On my first win, I'm gonna get you some soccer gloves, Ariel, so we can go shoot on you.
You're already.
15 open good on that one.
Yeah.
So.
Anything will continue?
Jesus Christ.
We're waiting for the break to happen here, but
yeah, no, we shouldn't trade the channel.
Yeah.
We should just wait on it.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see if this shit turns around and starts breaking.
It's disrespecting that area that support.
Yeah.
I get why. I mean.
Exercise physiology does a lot of personal training and or tests on people to show them their cardiovascular. Is that what it was? Yeah, I guess you're right, man. No, I mean that sounds interesting though. That
your job is to improve their health, right? Like to make sure that they maintain weight, or if they want to lose weight, to lose it, or they gotta gain muscle, etc. Like that, and you gotta know, yeah, basically, yeah. I have a friend who does that. She works for. She started for Orlando City. It's a soccer team. I don't know if you're familiar with MLS, but I believe that she got an internship to go to the Jacksonville Jaguars last year. So I think she's doing that for a little bit. I know she didn't enjoy it so much. So some players didn't treat her well. Yeah, I assume. Yeah, I know it's a very hard line of work.
Hey, you sound tired over there, man. Sure you can hang or what?
Gotta drink some coffee, bro.
Hey, that's what the that sounds hella good. That sounds really good.
Some coffee with a
Una concha.
or something.
Hell yeah! What? Una concha. What?
Victor, you're not Mexican, right? Or you are?
Nah, that fool from Veracruz. He's from Guatemala.
Yo decía a Victor que con un bolillo con frijoles.
With queso fresco, bro.
Oh yeah, in the morning.
Stop, bro.
Stop it. No, man, we gotta eat healthy.
Yeah, I've been slacking.
Riley watching, bro.
Oh yeah, Riley watching.
She gotta get us on your meal plan. No, you know what? Honestly, it's not looking. We usually stream from 11 to 2 a.m. It's already 1:18. It looks like it hasn't. It's very slow. There was no news today. I believe that the moves are gonna happen to the New York session.
Yo, listen. If you don't want to miss out on a good YouTube stream tomorrow night, or actually later tonight, definitely tune in later tonight, because we are gonna we have a buddy of ours coming in from Miami, and I know he's gonna be here chilling in the background talking a lot of shit. We're gonna have a good time, and yeah, it should be a good stream. But all of you guys been watching, yo, thank you so much for sticking around. Like I said, if you did enjoy the stream, man, if you are enjoying it, make sure you hit that like button, tap on that subscribe button as well, and just keep up to date with everything we're doing, man. If you want to continue learning, kind of watch us here take a few wins and a few L's, you'll definitely gain some value though every time that we get on, for sure. So I mean,
Honestly, Riley, I think you probably learned more here in the past 2 hours
Than
than
IML.
you will in IML the whole year.
IMLs.
Just be careful. Nothing against them. I get it.
Nah, you know what?
They're gonna make their profit.
You're right. I can't knock on the hustle because I know a few people who actually like try to push that shit. You know.
Yeah, but their hustle is getting other people involved.
That's what I'm saying.
That's what I don't like.
So there's two types of greed, right? I learned this, but two types of greed where there's a good kind of greed and there's a bad kind of greed. The bad kind of greed is when you're trying to hurt others while doing something, whereas a good kind of greed is like you're thinking about the people around you to, you know, help them out or whatever the case is, right? But I feel like some of their kind of greed is more of, let me just get my money. Selfish, exactly. Yeah, very selfish.
Very selfish.
Don't worry, I'm not going there. I don't want to pay the $245 a month. Yeah, no, I hear you. One of the things that I know we'll start implementing during the streams is more of like, you know, kind of setting examples. Oh, is it the music? All right, my bad. All right. One thing that we'll implement more in the streams is kind of giving you perhaps like a few lessons. I don't know, maybe while we wait for our trades, we can just kind of teach you guys a little bit on how we scale in or what we look for on higher time frames, stuff like that, so you can understand, you know, like a higher time frame perspective. You know, what is it that we look for on a day-to-day basis? Because while we trade here, we intraday here, and we also scalp in the streams. But when we're off the streams, like there's times that I take trades in the daytime and I'm not really scalping it too much. Actually, I'm like holding it for 20-30 pips, and I'm a lot more patient there. Whereas like here, I know, you know, we're all watching, so obviously we're all trying to catch a move and get out, you know what I mean? So yeah, so that's one of the things I think we're gonna bring into the YouTube streams, give you guys a little bit more value to help you understand exactly our thought process, stuff like that. Whereas instead of just talking about levels and all that good stuff, you guys can see exactly what we mark up and how we mark it up, right? So should be interesting.
And most importantly is whatever questions, concerns you guys have, chart analysis, this is the time to put it out there, right? This is the time where if you want to get a second opinion, you can. You're more than welcome to. We want you guys to learn. We want you guys to you know, look down a year from now and be like, wow, I started, you know, I remember when I didn't know anything, I started from these guys, right?
Yeah.
So this is free, guys, right? We're doing it for you guys. This is, you know, 100% educational for, you know, for your own benefit. Take advantage of it, right? Start learning how to look at the charts, what exactly they are, and ask us many questions that you have. And you know, whatever we can answer, we will, right? And like I said before, you know, that's what we're here for. You know, we made those mistakes already, so you don't have to. You know, I wish when we had started trading that we would have had something similar to what we have now, right? You know, having a mentor or having somebody just trade live. You know, like this is happening. This is life. Like we legit lost money today, right? You know, we legit, like those $200 that you saw, those $200 that we lost today.
Yeah.
And we haven't taken another trade. That's it. If we don't see something that we don't like, we don't take it. Just like other times that you've seen us make $1,000, $2,000. It's life. That's people. It's stuff that other mentors and other courses are not doing, right? They're not showing you. They might be showing you all their wins, but they don't show you their losses. You know, we show you our account, our live account. Every time we're in a trade, we show you our account. You see the trades that we took. You see how many losses we have. You see how many wins we have. You can see our winning rate, etc. We're 100% transparent because that's. I feel like, you know, when Aero and I started this is what we wanted. We wanted to be 100% transparent to our team. We wanted to be transparent for our students, for our viewers, because I feel like we owe you that. I think Forex, you know, especially in social media, is becoming a little bit toxic, and the more transparency there is, the more you're willing to to continue to keep coming, right?
Mhm.
And that's what it's all about for us.
Yeah. Let's see. I don't have charts. Can you explain that? What do you mean? Like you don't have trading view? Trading view here. I'm sure you know what trading view is, right?
No, she just started.
Oh, okay. Oh, true. 3 days ago. That's right. So
Listen, Riley. Go to Baby Pips and start looking at the cores. But basically, what you're seeing on the screen, is what we use to make our analysis. Real quick, Matthew. We trade London. We trade London Monday through Friday. I mean Sunday through Friday Pacific time. If your GMT time is Monday through Friday, right? But London, 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. GMT time will be 7 a.m. to about 10 a.m. Right? So Eastern time. What is Eastern time? It's 3 hours.
yeah. So 11 to 2 a.m.
So 2 to 6,
2
2
to
to 5.
2 to 5. 2 to 5.
Yeah, 2 to 5, right? Anyways, back to Riley. Riley, what you're seeing here in your screen in front of you is called Trading View. There's a link in the bottom for you guys to use. It's actually free. It's a free system. The free version has a bunch of ads and pop-ups, but definitely for now you don't need to pay for Trading View, right? This is you can deal with the ads every like 15 minutes. You just gotta click out. While we trade this, what you see here, these are called bars. These are Japanese candlesticks. And what we do is we use the Japanese candlesticks to predict and read what the market is doing. There's certain types of candlesticks that will give you a clear indication of what the market is doing. Basically, every candle has a story, right? Every candle that you see here is telling you a story of what's happening with this foreign exchange pair. Same thing when it's a stock, it's telling you red means it's bearish, bearish means it's going down, it's a sell. Bullish is a green candle, and that means it's a buy, right? And basically, not that it means that, it just means that it opened above. It opened above where it closed, right? And same vice versa with the sells. We use supply and demand to trade, and our analysis is for confluences is based on stuff like this, like candlesticks, support and resistance zones, but mainly the overall system that we use is supply and demand, right? What goes up must come down, and there always has to be an equilibrium to the market, right? So that's what we use. You cannot trade here. This is just to do your analysis. You need a broker to open trades, right? If you're looking at the descriptions, you can sign up for a broker. I definitely recommend that you sign up for a broker. You can open a demo account. Our broker account is going to be in the description below. It's called Google's Way. There's a link for you to use. You can open a broker's account and just trade demo, right? So what a demo account is basically you'll be trading. You have it gives you various account sizes and your leverage from 1 to 100 to 1 to 500. We use 1 to 500 leverage on our Google's Way. But on a demo account, you're practicing, and I recommend that you practice before even thinking of putting money into your live account, right? I mean, you already have 250, right? And you made 280, so that's great. But I definitely recommend just to be careful. Your job as a trader is to protect your capital and to build that consistency.
Yo, sounds good, Marco. Have a good night, man. Thank you for stopping by.
Good night, brother.
All right, bro. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Sounds good, bro.
We'll see you tomorrow. I have BD Forex. Yeah, that's great. That that's a good broker too. Actually, I'm not gonna say it's a good broker because I don't know buy Forex. I never heard of them, but I mean, you can send me the link. We can take a look at it real quick. The main broker is FX, CM, Wanda, Ego FX, because they're regulated brokers. Unregulated brokers would be like Good FX, Google's Way, Traders Way, Traders Domain, etc. But definitely look into baby pits, right? Look into baby pits. Take the free, the free classes, and then once you're ready, look into that mentorship. I mean, it's not expensive. It's one of the least expensive mentorships out there, and I recommend. I guarantee you that if even when you go to one of the guys that has like the most expensive or one of the most expensive ones, his videos, his analysis compared to ours is, I hate to say it, but it's pretty much trash. He's good. Don't get me wrong. There's a lot of good people out there that do a great job teaching Forex, but what I can tell you for sure is that we took our time, to develop this course. It's, you're getting over 5 years of experience with us, and we teach you from the ground up, from A to C.
Yeah, facts. And we're proud of it too. You know what I mean? Like we're not just talking out of our ass here. Like honestly, like everything you guys will learn by watching us. It's like, when we make mistakes, man, we're always gonna take losses. We're not perfect traders. We're never gonna be. But like I said, this shit look like want to come down, which is good because I actually want to see some sort of trade action here.
I know it's taking forever.
Yeah.
And you know what? With just today, right? That's usually what happens. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Right?
Yeah.
And you just gotta be patient. Trading, once it clicks, it's super easy. Honestly, trading is one of the easiest jobs you can ever have. But it's also the hardest job, and not because it's hard itself. It's because it's an emotional game, right? It's an emotional job. If you learn how to control two emotions, you will reach that potential you always wanted to reach, that financial freedom you always wanted to have. But you have to overcome. You have to learn how to control your fear and your greed. Learning how to manage your fear and greed, forget about it. I think everything else is, everything else is, how would you say, it's not important. You learn how to control your emotions with proper risk management. There's no doubt in my mind that you can do 10% week, and 10% week, whatever your account is, which is what you did. But it sounds like it was a little risky.
Yo, Riley, I have a question for you real quick. You tell me your honest opinion if you're still in here. And if you are, say yes. I need a women's perspective or women's opinion on something real quick. If you said yes, then we'll move on.
Say yes.
Did she?
Yes.
For real? Alright, cool.
Yes.
Alright, what do you think about what do you think about this? Are these nice or no? What'd you think?
I don't like them.
Nah?
They look like for
yeah, right.
That would get my mom, dude.
That's true. Alright, you're right. Say less. You're right.
What do you think, Riley?
You're right. Oh, look, this shit's starting to kind of come down a little bit.
Finally.
I like those colors. Don't lie to me, Riley. Hold on. Let's see.
The colors are nice, but it doesn't kind of look like something you give your mom.
That shit coming down hard.
Grandma.
Look at the chart.
I'm looking, but it has to break.
The actual level.
Break 142, 204.
Okay.
Clean before we think of it.
Okay. We still may have a nice trade here for the night. That was nice. What do you mean? But this fool says it's more of like, you know, I see his point though. I see his point. More roses is better, right? So let's look for roses here.
He's trying to get out of his doghouse, right?
Yeah.
See, that's a little bit more elegant.
Is it really? It is, right?
I feel like that's a little bit more elegant, a little bit more sexy.
Yeah, you're right. Check this out, Riley. What you think? Better, right? Yeah. I know the time zones. I was just curious on guys' thoughts on trading in London versus just a preference or a reason behind it. It's just it fits our schedule better. Instead of waking up at 3 a.m. trying to power nap, even though we can't fall asleep at 11, 12, so we weren't getting any sleep when we were trading in New York. Is it better? Cool, awesome. Thank you. If someone gave me those to me, I would love them, but I'm not picky. Okay, yeah. No.
What, even if you were to give her the other one, she would love them.
No, she would. She
would.
You're right.
But those roses, look, if you can get them in all red, it would be nice.
No, they don't get them all. They have them all red, but it won't show up until the day after the day that I'm actually trying to get them delivered.
Those are really nice.
All right, cool.
Riley approves.
All right, cool.
Yeah, no, Matt. Honestly, it just fits their schedule, right?
Yeah.
And because it fits their schedule to trade London session, we stay consistent. We traded New York session for
a minute.
6 months, for like 6-7 months.
Yeah.
But moving to the east, to the west coast, you know, it's hard. Because you still gotta get some sleep in, at least 4 or 5 hours. I think.
Yeah.
I think you don't need the whole 8 hours. With 6 hours that you get of sleep, you're more than you know good. But
more than cooling.
Yeah, you're chilling after that. So it's coming to that level. So
that's exactly what I'm looking at now. Ooh, baby, let's go. Gotta get one more trade in.
The 5-minute open nice. We got 2 minutes to it. Yeah, but Matthew, just trade whatever. Trade what fits your style, whether it's London session, New York, Asia, Sydney, whatever fits your style. Just make sure that you trade a pair that moves within that that time zone, within that London session that you're trading. And once you start trading something that fits your schedule, don't stop. Even if you're taking, even if you had a bad week or a bad month, don't stop. Don't stop trading the same pair, that same session, because you gotta build that consistency, right? You gotta understand why you lost the trade, why you did that. No, let's do it right here.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I see it now. This little
So go to the low. Yeah, exactly. Once we break this, can you move this so I can see that left?
Yeah.
How many pips here?
But we are not trading to there. That shit is only 10 pips. Oh yeah. We're trying to catch a whole move.
Yeah, of course. We secured it.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, it's exactly where TP. Yeah. Because it lines up with our. If we're looking again as far as see that. It's pretty good.
Broken. It's close good, but the openings of the other ones are just a bunch of dojis. We're gonna get in. I feel like it's since it's the first time it touches this area from since last time, which was January 27th, it's gonna have some sort of a pullback, right?
What's going on? I have to leave for a sec. We're looking for a solid break here on this level on GJ so that we can enter the market on one last trade before we do call it. Yeah, we're looking for a nice, this is the kind of break we've been waiting for, so if this does end up breaking the way we wanted to, this should continue. This should be a nice trade.
Right here, look, this is what we're breaking. Last time market was here, it shut up, it's just retrace, keep going, it's stuck, it was stuck in the channel, right? It broke the channel, and then it got stuck in another channel here.
Yeah.
And now we're breaking that. So we came back to, this is January 27th. We haven't been at this, we haven't been at these lows since that time. Overall though, we are expecting this actual pair, DJ, the pound against the Japanese yen, to continue to go up. But before it continues to go up, we are looking for a pullback, which is what we were trying to sell. Look at that.
Let's just jump all the way back up, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's crazy.
That's awesome. Yeah. No, that was a perfect touch. That would have been a good entry to go up, but because it's about almost 10 pips now.
It's 10 pips, yeah.
But because of the bearish momentum that we're seeing, right, with the 1 hour, the 1 hour, all the buys were rejected, and the 4 hours closing very bearish. There wasn't enough confluence for us to take the buy here. So what we're actually waiting is for it to break to take the sell, right? And if it doesn't, then we take a sell after here. I mean a buy after here. As soon as this breaks, right, it's gonna do something like this, hit here, and then continue to go up. So that's the same thing we're waiting.
Are you
We're
guys
waiting for
in?
a
I had
break.
to hop out for a bit. We're not in just yet. We need to see the break, the full-on break. We are waiting for that level to break though. And then if that does happen, we're taking sells. Or buys if all that plays out as well.
Entries here. Entry here. That's the only thing that we're waiting for. Either we enter here or we enter here. But it's not. It's not happening right now. The good thing is that the 4 hours is going to open right now. Are you guys in? I have to hop out now. 15-minute looks really good. With that impulse.
For it to push up?
Yeah.
I'm gonna head out. It was nice to meet you. Thanks for all the tips. I will be back again. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by, Riley. Have a good night. We do hope that you did learn a lot within the stream, and like I said, we'll be back on at the same time later tonight. Can you explain why the 4-hour candle is important?
Listen, the 4-hour candle is the same as a monthly candle, as a weekly candle, as a 5-minute candle, 15, etc. The higher the time frame, the better you are going to be at predicting and calculating where price action is going to go. The higher the time frame, the better probability of that your analysis is going to be on point. And then anything lower than 30 minutes, you're really just looking for an entry. But 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 8, 20, 23, daily, weekly, monthly, it gives you direction, and anything under 1 hour gives you an entry point. It's just 4 hours. We use 4 hours because we're intraday traders, right? So that's something that helps us. If we wanted to swing, we can swing it from high to low of the 4 hour. If we wanted to stop, the 4 hour gives us the direction that we're looking for. And if we wanted to scalp, same thing. We use the 4 hour. If we know it's gonna go down, then we just scalp to go down, right? The 4 hour, the daily give you direction, and then the 1 hour gives you your zones. The 30-minute and the 15 just gives you that entry, right? And then if you really want to get into the sniper entries, you go to the 1 minute to the 5-minute, etc. To really scalp it, right? But you only do that when you're in a zone. We trade zone to zone. For example, this is one zone. We're looking. If we break this zone, we're coming to this zone. So this is our trade, right? This right here, 28 pips. We trade zone to zone, and we know this is important because this is a 4-hour support. This is a 4-hour resistance. That turn support, right? It used to be this one used to be a resistance that turned into a support. But right now the market's very choppy. It's just like it's stuck within that Asia high, Asia low channel, and we haven't broken. Right now we're a little bit underneath Asia low, but this just happened the past 30 minutes. So if we're below the Asia low, then we're expecting it to go down. If we're above the Asia low, then we're expecting it to retouch the Asia high. Just because the market tends to repeat itself. It's like a lot of things, like history and everything else. History tends to repeat itself. There has to be an equilibrium in the market.
Yo, this is better than the flowers. What do you think?
That's cool.
Yeah, better than the flowers. What do you think?
What's your patient?
Oh, 1 month, bruh. Yeah, I know.
Jesus Christ,
Yeah.
get a fucking flowers.
Yeah, true, right? Alright, fine. Thanks, yeah, no problem, man, no problem. That shit turn around, that shit didn't even want to break.
It has to create a higher low. It has to.
How many new subscribers we got tonight? I know we got some. Hey, you guys got us to that 70 subscriber mark. Thank you guys. Oh yeah, we appreciate it, man. We appreciate the support. Like I said, man, if you guys are new and are enjoying the stream, you know, a lot of you have been hanging out in here for quite a minute now. And like I said, man, we appreciate it, you know. Oh, I don't know. That should just completely turn around.
Yeah.
15 pips. I don't know who be making this music, but this music's cool.
Yes. That's alright.
That's pretty dope. Hi guys, I'm new here. Welcome in. Vincenzo, what up, man? How you doing? Where you from? And where you watching from? I guess it's the same question, right?
Italian? Are you Italian, Vincenzo?
Welcome.
Yeah, Italy. Oh, nice. Are you in Italy at the moment? What part of Italy you watching from?
Victor, I don't.
Huh? Can you hear me better? I was just wondering what part of Italy you were from. That's all. No, it's okay. Good, good, good. Are you new to trading? Are you actively trading? How long have you been trading? Or you just curious, wanted to check it out?
What's up, man? How you doing tonight, bro? Welcome in. Trading with Bam. Hi, trading with Ice. What's up? You know, I traded for 3 years. That's quite some time.
Nice, nice. What session do you trade? This sounds like chopped and screw. Like,
Nah, a little bit, right?
Like four walls, or like.
Nah, no way. Nah, hell no. This is dope.
New stream, oh yeah, nice.
New stream, oh yeah, hey, word, man. How long you been trading for, bro?
Trading with ice.
Excuse me. Oh shit.
We've been stuck in this range since fucking
Since the start.
January 26th.
The start of the damn stream, that's where we've been stuck at.
Yeah, since the start of the stream, how many pips has it moved?
I don't know, but like if I look at this,
37 pips?
Yeah, we're bound to go down though.
Yeah, I mean, I see it. You just gotta remember that it's like, it's bullish.
Just a year, but man, I've been milking this shit. Hey, that's cool. Hell yeah, that's good. That's good, man. For a year, I mean, like for you to, you know, if you are finding that consistency already, bro, imagine what you can do in the next 2-3 years. You know what I mean?
That's awesome.
Mostly
So he trades New York session, but I'm not an expert trader. Hey, man, that's cool, man. Hey, listen, we're not expert traders. You're never gonna be an expert trader, right? You're always gonna have that. You're always gonna take those L's. Hopefully you know your proper risk management. That way you can manage your losses, right? But it's part of the game, right? It's part of being a trader. Just learning how to control your impulses, being patient, and making sure that you're not impulsively looking to enter any setup that you see, right? It has to make sense.
Yeah.
And you have to have confluence. You have to wait for a structure. You gotta know what market is doing, right? Where the accumulation is going, where the distribution is gonna happen, and just basically know what supply and demand is, right? There is an echo. Oh, sorry about that.
Oh.
Yeah. We have condenser mics. But you know that's all it really is. I mean, we Aero and myself, we've been training for about going on 6 years this August. But it was a rough couple. You know, the first 2.5, 3 years were really difficult. Honestly, I think I probably blew like 3 or 4 accounts. You know, and before it started to click. My 4th year got better. It was my first year being just profitable the whole year. It wasn't crazy. My 5th year just basically changed everything. You know, I haven't worked in 2.5 years. I think Aero hasn't worked in like a year and a half. We're mostly intraday traders. We will scalp a little bit here and there in the stream, just if we see something that we like. but mostly we enter trades as scalpers and hopefully try to swing them, right? We try to get the sniper entries. We trade zone to zone using supply and demand, looking at support and resistance for confluence, sometimes trend lines, or here and there we'll pull the fibs. We don't use any indicators. We don't use we don't use anything really. What you use? Oh, it's somebody. Yeah, you have the EMAs there, but we don't use indicators. We 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 trade, support support and resistance. If it's coming from a zone to zone, which is, we basically, what we do is look at supply and demand and just look at price action, right? Every candle tells you a story. Every candlestick is, it's telling you if it's going to go up, if it's going to go down, etc. It's all about knowing price action, knowing, what institutional traders are doing, what retail traders are going to do, right? And it just so happens that Gigi's been stuck in a channel for the past 4 days, so it hasn't been a very clear week. I was hoping that once we broke it yesterday, we were going to continue. It hit our TP yesterday of 142,700, and then you guys can see here, like, just completely went down. But all it is just making a pull. Overall direction is telling us they're still bullish, and it's just making a pullback to continue to go up, right? Right now, it got to a high point where where buyers decided to exit out, and now we're getting that distribution, right? We're distributing everything else, so now we're waiting on the accumulation to bring us back up. What happened? Took a 20 pips on DJ already. Nice. You sold for 600. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you're on mute.
No, that's good. That's a nice play out, man, right there. No, that's solid, bro. I like that. Yeah. So you saw the retest of the breakout. This was the retest. Then continue pushing lower.
Yeah, the 500 was a really important part. So I can see where you did it. Definitely looks good. We were looking to enter the market. We started the stream a little bit late today, and we were looking to enter the market here. And because we started the stream, I think we started the stream like around here.
Oh shit, my bad. Yeah, good.
And no, that's fine.
Okay.
And it just completely shut down. By the time we got up, it was like already here. So it was a little, our entry, because of the spreads, because of the spreads, our entry would have been here, and our TP was looking to be here. So it wasn't worth it for us to just get this. So we're not just waiting. We were looking to take a buy from here, and with the way price action is going, we decided against it. On the 1 minute, it was clear. I just read some yesterday.
Oh, cause you muted yourself? Oh, okay. I muted myself because so they can hear me with that one. No, I was saying that the 1 minute's great, because it's just straight up price action. But honestly, you need to. We don't trade the 1 minute unless it comes from a 4 hour zone, or maybe a 1 hour zone, because the 1 minute, while it gives you the price action that you need and how many market orders are happening, it does not give you um, that directional of the directional market outlook overall, right? So that's what we try to look. We try to base our theory of the 4 hour, scale down our zones, perfect them from the 1 hour, and then jump down to the 30 minute to see what price action is doing. And once it gets to our zone, we'll jump down to the 1 minute, 5 minute, wait for a break of structure and a retest, and then jump in the market. That's good, man. That was a good trade. That was a solid trade. You waited until it hit your resistance. You barely had any drawdown, and it went straight to profit. That's awesome. That's how every trade should be like. But I think that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it for us. It's been stuck in this range, and there's really, it doesn't fit our trading plan. We don't, we're being traders. Our number one rule is to protect their capital, and it doesn't seem feasible for us to take anything here. And I think that's it. I don't think the market's gonna move anytime soon. It's one of those times where there's barely any liquidity in the market now, because London is already, everybody's going to lunch now around this time within the next hour. So the volatility already happened. So now it's just if you take a trade, it would be to swing it. That's not what we're looking to do today, because there's no clear direction, because we're still at the channel. So I think that's it for London session. We're just gonna wait for New York to see if something happens, but I don't know. What do you think, Marion?
No, for sure.
That's it for us.
So looking for a way to be positive, find it there. Yeah, no, absolutely, man. Like I said, that was a killer trade. Good job on that. Like Victor was saying, we right now, like, this is past our trading time. Usually we get off like, about 30 minutes ago, but we were waiting for this break. So if you are looking for sell still on GJ, and if it does end up playing out, then obviously look for this level to break. So if you start seeing the break of this candle wick, like I said, just continue. You should be able to see a continuation to this level here, which just to kind of give you a little bit of my theory of what I think here on the on GJ. Let's go over to the 4 hour real quick so you guys can try to understand what I'm looking at. On the 4 hour, obviously we are in an uptrend, right? And we had our last higher low created right here and our last higher high, right? So we are in an uptrend on the 4 hour time frame. But on the 1 hour, right, we do have our last higher low and higher high right here as well. So if we come down and break our previous higher low, we're breaking structure on the 1 hour time frame if we break it. But then that could also be the pullback that we need on the 4 hour to create a new higher low on the 4 hour time frame to then continue going bullish, because we are in an uptrend on that time frame. So ideally, again, if you do use fibs and you line them up, it also lines up with a 61.8%. So if you do use them like that, like I said, if the market does end up coming down here, wait to see if how the market's going to react there. At that point, you can collect TP or target, collect some of your profits, right, and just move your stop loss to break even. But other than that, man, I mean, that's kind of what we're waiting on. We're just waiting for the market to break.
And this will be what he.
Any group or Telegram? Yeah, man.
This is what it would be. This would be that swing trade, right? That really almost risky trade what Aero is telling you guys about. And then the other trade is breaking this level and going here. We did the wick fill here. We created the higher high. So if this was to form a support here, right, and it continues, as soon as it breaks here, you can drop down to the 1 minute, 5 minute, wait for a break of structure, and then buy. And 142 I believe 140 to 700 would be your the top of this wick. And that's I believe what is that area? A good 20 pips probably or more.
This here to there, yeah, probably like 25 pips.
Yeah, that's another good trade. Right?
But again, right now, if this level does end up holding, right, then obviously this could potentially be our new higher low on the 4-hour time frame to then create a new higher high. That's if we do end up pushing from here on out. But if not, like I said, this here can just be some sort of break of structure from here to then come down and again create the transition that we want to see to push up, and that could be our higher low on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, just kind of keep in mind that if you're looking for sells, just wait for that level to break. Be very patient. Wait for a nice solid break before you do end up entering the market. But that will be it for us, guys. Thank you very much for hanging out. Like I said, if you did enjoy the stream and you haven't dropped that like, man. Subscribe, right? Help us out here. We're new, right? We're new into YouTube, and we're trying to get some progression going on here. Sometimes it'd be a little tough and a little, hard times, you know what I mean? So we need the support, man. We do appreciate you guys being here. But you guys have a good night, man. Peace.
Thank you for everything. If you don't subscribe, at least like the Chingadera. Hey guys, we're new to YouTube, but we're not new to trading.
Yeah, you go. Facts. Word. Later, guys.